Alright, namaste guys. So I received a package. So one of these was ordered like a month ago from outside, and the rest of these were ordered like a week ago. So let's check it out. Okay, how many items do we have? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 8 items. Okay, let's open this one first and see what we have. This one, okay, it's just these are all my thing. Only one of them is not F-91W. I don't know which one that is, but there are 8 boxes here. Okay, out of these 8, 7 are F-91W variants, different variants. Then one of them is the one of them is a W800H, W800H, all blacked out. So let's just take them out one by one, and I'll do a detailed video one by one in the upcoming videos, like the detailed run through. Not really, I'll just show you the items one by one. So this is the F-91W S series, the gray version. You can see the gray variant. I won't take them out of the box now, that's for the next one. I just wanted to show you all the variants first. Okay, then this is the F-91W M series gray version. You can see that. This is the F-91W S series again. You know these the jelly bracelets, the clear bracelets. This is the silver one. So let's put that right next to this one. Okay. Then we have another WS series. This is the pink version. You can see it's pink. Okay, WS series go right next to each other. This is the, yeah, did this already. Next up is, this is the WM series. This is the silver variant, as you can see. So this was the gray variant and this is the silver. They both look so good. Right, and next we have another WS series. That's the blue jelly, the clear strap variant, the blue color. So these go right next to each other. And these two come here. Okay. Then what is left? Oh, now this one. Now this is so difficult to get. You'll find all of these in the market now. You go anywhere. If you don't find it in your country, look for it in another country, have it shipped to your country, pay a bit of customs if you really want it as part of the collection. But this one is so difficult to get. It's like finding a unicorn. So this is from the F-91W C series, because there are 4 colors. I already have 4 colors, which is pink, orange, yellow, and what is the 4th color? yellow, the mustard yellow. So I'm wearing the orange now. So this is, there are a total of 6 colors, okay? The 6th one being green, which is on the way. But this one is the F-91WC, the beige color. I think it's F-91WC 8AEF. Here we go. That's the beige. I won't be opening this now. As I told you, I'll do it in the next upcoming videos. But this is the beige color. So good. I mean, this looks really good on any skin tone. It'll go well with, you know, casuals and, you know, semi-formals or whatever you want to wear. But I mean, it might not go with formals, but this looks amazing, and it is very difficult to get. I was so lucky when I found it on Desert Card, and guess what? I found another one on eBay, and a shop in Italy was selling it. So I've ordered another one of these, and it's on the way. So I can't wait to show it to you guys. So my collection of F-91W is almost complete. So with this, I have 17. The green is on the way, which will complete my F-91 collection. So this is the one that came along with these because I ordered this. I really wanted this. Let's just open this. Okay. Okay, this is the 8th box in this package. This is the, yeah. I ordered this watch because it's very stealthy looking, and you know, I'll show it to you in the next upcoming videos. So this is the W800H blacked out version because I love negative displays, and this looks really stealthy, looks good. The buttons are really, you know, accessible, and they look good and goes well with the design. I don't know, even the strap, the way this is built, the thickness of it, it's I think this is going to be my daily watch. Yeah, I really think so. But yeah, this is a brilliant watch from what I've heard. So I just can't wait to experience this watch. So these are the ones that showed up. I just can't wait to, you know, run through them, make videos, and just share it with you guys. So this is it. This was the unboxing of this huge consignment that arrived of 8 watches. With these, my F91 is almost complete. The green is on the way. It is coming from Italy, so I have to wait for it. I think the package from my tracking page, I found out that it's arrived in Dubai. So once it is here at home, I'm gonna show it to you guys. So till then, you know, take it easy. Namaste.